Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to turn off all vibration on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to completely turn off the vibrate on your iPhone so that it does not vibrate during calls or text messages, you can easily do so. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down and get into Accessibility. And right here you can easily find that touch feature, just get into it and then scroll down until you find vibration. By default, this feature toggled on, and when this switch is off, all vibration on your iPhone will be disabled, including those for earthquake, tsunami and other emergency alerts, no matter what is set in sounds and haptics. So, if you want to completely toggle off the vibration at your device, just hit at that switcher to toggle it off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video and see you in the next one.